Hello everyone, myself Kalai Chelvi, Assistant Professor, the Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So today's topic is Unit 5, Digital Logic Families and Memories. So our topic is memories. So in your previous session, we had seen about the what are the memories, why memory is needed, what are the types of memories, that's all. So today in this session, let's explore one of the most important types of memory in your digital system, that is read-only memory. It's called as ROM. Okay. So before going to this topic, so just recap our previous session. So this is already we discussed in the empathy part. So the mainly the system corruption is due to the memory failure. So CPU, and then we are not correctly managing the memory system, the system can be corrupted. So by solve this problem, we can go for the perfect memory. Okay. So just this is about the memory. Memory is mainly used for the encoding and storing and retrieving the information and forming the basis of our knowledge, identity and ability of the function. So we already discussed in your previous session. So these are all the we have primary memory and then secondary memory. We are focusing only on a primary memory, that is RAM and ROM. So these are the types of RAM and ROM. RAM consists of three types, that is a static, dynamic and then non-volatile RAM. ROM is PROM, EEPROM and then EEPROM likewise. So today we are going to focusing on this random access memory. So while random access memory is a temporary memory, while ROM is a permanent memory. So that is a key role. I mean, the ROM is a key role in your computer and microcontrollers and embedded system, where the data must not change even when the power is off. So that is, it is called as non-volatile memory. Maybe this is called as volatile memory. So when the power is off, the data is all the data is returned is erasable. That is called RAM. That is called as non-volatile memory. Okay. So this is the mind map of this memory: RAM, ROM, and then cache memory, and then registers. So this is read-only memory, that is ROM. Okay. So like ROM stands for read-only memory. As the name suggests that the data is ROM can only be read, not written or modified easily. So it is the type of unvolatile memory, meaning the information stored in ROM remains even after the power supply is turned off. So ROM is mainly used to store the firmware, that is the set of instructions permanently programmed into a system to help it is to start the computer or perform the basic functions. So this is about our read-only memory. And then see, let's the how the read-only memory works. So ROM is made up of a matrix of address lines and the data lines connected through a diode and a transistor. So I'm giving here the pictures, right? So this when a particular address is given, the corresponding stored data appear on the output lines. So think of it like a lookup table. You give a address and it instantly provides the stored value. So in contrast to random access memory, which allows read and write operation, so here ROM is pre-programmed during the manufacturing or later using special equipment. Okay. So this random access memory having some advantages and also the disadvantages. So here the giving the advantages of data or program are permanently in main memory. This is the main advantage of this ROM. And then the problem is it is costly for small run, but and then high volume runs, there's no room for error. These are all the advantages and disadvantages of ROM. So the types of ROM is PROM, EPROM, and then EEPROM. So that this is a PROM, that is a programmable read-only memory. So it comes blank and can be programmed once by the user using the PROM programmer. And once written, the data is permanent. So it is not erasable. So this is called PROM, programmable read-only memory. So it is very flexible and less expensive. That is the advantages of PROM. And then second one is EPROM and then EEPROM. EEPROM is nothing but erasable programmable read-only memory. EPROM can be erased during the using the UV light, that is ultraviolet light, through a small quartz window on the chip. So after erasing, it can be reprogrammed. That is called erasable programmable read-only memory. And then EEPROM is nothing but is electrically erasable and then programmable read-only memory. It can be erased and reprogrammed electrically, commonly used in microcontrollers and then BIOS chips. So other than that, it also has, we have a flash ROM, that is it's a modern form of the EEPROM. So that allows faster erase and then faster write cycles. So we are using this flash ROM is in your pen drives, SSD, and then memory cards. So this is all about read-only memory and their types. So this uh, is a comparison. So these are all the different types of ROM I'm giving here. So this is in a chip format, that is a semiconductor device. It is in the form of chip. So we can identify based on the numbers and then structure. So the ROM is mainly used in the firmware storage and then boot programs. So and then lookup tables, gaming consoles, calculator, washing machines. So many places the read-only memories are used. So these are all the references we go through for this topic. And then okay, finally we summarize this topic of read-only memory. So here read-only memory is a non-volatile memory that retains data even without the power. It allows the read-only access to permanently stored information. So it has different types of ROM, like PROM, EPROM, EEPROM, and then flash ROM, based on the reprogrammability. So this ROM is mainly used for and then we mainly essential for booting and then firmware, and control applications we are using. Okay, so this is about your read-only memory. So in this next video we will see about the random access memory, RAM. Okay, thank you.